How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset the Maxshot electric scooter. So the first thing that you want to do is to hard reset the controller. So in order to do this, you must turn off the scooter first by pressing the power button right here. And then right after, the next thing that you want to do is to press and hold the brake levers, which is going to be this one. And then you want to roll down the throttle. So actually just go ahead and press it at the same time. And while holding both controls, you want to turn the scooter on. So you want to do this until the scooter turns on and wait for around 10 seconds. Release the controls, and then you want to turn off the scooter normally by pressing down the power button. Wait for another 10 seconds, and from there turn it on normally, and this will fix the problem. The alternative method, if the first one did not work, is to first turn off the scooter. Right after, you want to press and hold the brake button for around while doing the next step. So while you're pressing and holding it, you want to press the power button 5 to 6 times in quick session. So it's going to be tap, 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 tap. And basically from there, wait for the screen to blink or unlock, then release the brake press. And so guys, from there, this will then fix the problem. Also, if your scooter supports the app connectivity right here, you then want to connect the scooter to the application, and then inside the app, there's going to be the reset function. So just click on it and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.